Let's get our brush tool. I can either click on it here in the toolbar, or I can press the letter B, which is its shortcut key. Okay, up here in the options bar, let's click on hard round and set the size to about 50 or so, and then we'll move out onto our canvas. We'll select the color over here in the color panel. If you're not seeing that panel, go up into the window menu and make sure that it is checked. In the color panel, you can click on any color. Over on the right side is the rainbow of hues. You can choose your hue over there, and then within the main part, you can just select any value of that hue that you wish to use. Now that you've selected your color, just go and paint. This is the eraser tool. Its shortcut letter is E. It's a brush too. So you can see up here in the options bar, it has the same brush settings as the brush tool. And you can set it just as you did the brush tool and use it to erase what you've done. Knowing those shortcut keys, it makes it easy to paint and erase. Press B to paint, and then press E to erase. If I paint and make a mistake, I can come up into the Edit menu and undo or redo. Command-Z on a Mac or Control-Z on a PC is the shortcut to undo. Every time you press Command-Z or Control-Z, you'll step back one undo. Now let's talk about how soft-edged or hard-edged your brush can be up here in the options bar. You've already seen what a hard-edged brush looks like. Let's set the hardness down to 0 and come out here and paint. Do you see the difference? That is a soft-edged brush. And this is a hard-edged brush. Now take a few minutes and play. Play with the different sizes of brushes. Play with different colors and just see what your brush will do for you.